In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language settings on Google. So first off, you want to be signed in to your Google account, and then click your profile picture here, and then click the first option, and then click the third tab here. After that, scroll down to where you see the settings icon, and then what you want to do is click on the globe icon here, which takes you to the language selection page, and then click on the pencil icon, search for English, and then click the country that you're in. So let's say I'm from Australia, and that's it. Your Google is already in English. And that is how you change your language settings on Google. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.